Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn the basics of data science, what it is, what a data scientist does, and some important data processing concepts. Let's keep it simple and easy to understand. So, what is data science? Data science is the field of studying data to extract useful insights, patterns, and decisions. It helps us to understand what is happening in the world and also predict what might happen next. In simple terms, it combines statistics to understand patterns in data, programming like Python, Java, etc., to analyze and process data, machine learning to make predictions. So let's move on to the role of data scientist. A data scientist is someone who works with data to solve real world problems. The main roles are collect data from various sources, clean and pre process data, analyze data to find patterns and trends, build machine learning models for predictions, visualize data using charts, graphs, and dashboards, extract insights to solve business problems, help in decision making for companies and organizations, improve products, services, and user experience using data. So let's move on. Data cleaning. Data cleaning means removing error, missing values, and duplicate data so the data set becomes accurate and usable and reliable. Data transformation. Data transformation is converting data into a proper format so it can be analyzed easily, like scaling or encoding values. As you can see here, converting data into a suitable format or structure for analysis like scaling, encoding, or normalization. Data integration. Data integration means combining data from different sources into one single data set. Unified data set. Data reduction. Data reduction means reducing the size of data while keeping only the important information so processing becomes faster. So, this is a basic introduction to data science and its key concepts. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more beginner friendly tech content. See you in the next one. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.